If you have a leftover ham bone, use it to make this incredible ham bone soup. In a large pot, add the ham bone, celery, carrots, onion, garlic, water, and 2 bay leaves. Cover with a lid and simmer on low for 4 to 6 hours. Pour the broth through a fine mesh strainer. This will be your ham stock. In a large pot, add olive oil, onion, celery, carrots, and minced garlic. Sauté until softened. Pour in the ham stock and add 2 bay leaves. Simmer on low for 30 minutes. Add ham and potatoes. Cook for another 15 to 20 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. Slowly pour in the heavy cream. Season with salt and pepper to taste. You can find more easy ham recipes on our website.